Hey everyone, welcome back my channel. If your Mori Tale mobile game is not launching, freezing, crashing, or stuck on a black screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step-by-step guide for Android and iOS devices. So watch the video till the end and let's fix your game fast. Step 1. Restart your phone. Hold the power button. Tap Restart. Open Mori Tale again. A simple reboot fixes many temporary game crashes and freezes. Step 2. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi. Avoid weak mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then OFF. Bad internet can cause loading loops and freezing. Step 3. Clear Mori Tale cache. Android. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Select Mori Tale. Tap Storage. Press Clear Cache. Corrupted cache files often cause black screen problems. Step 4. Force stop the game. Settings. Apps. Open Mori Tale. Tap Force Stop. Launch the game again. Many players fixed freezing after force stopping the app. Step 5. Update Android, iPhone software. Settings. Software update. Install latest update. Restart device. Outdated software can break game compatibility. Step 6. Free storage space. Make sure you have at least 5 GB free storage. Enough free RAM. Delete unused apps, old videos, large files. Low storage can cause freezing and startup failure. Step 7. Disable battery saver. Battery saver may stop the game from loading properly. Android. Settings. Battery saver OFF. iPhone. Settings. Battery low power mode OFF. Step 8. Check device compatibility. Mori Tale may not run properly on old Android versions, low RAM phones, unsupported GPUs, games with black screen. Issues are often caused by compatibility or graphics driver problems. So guys, that's how you can fix Mori Tale not launching, freezing, and black screen errors easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. And if you still have any problem, comment below. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
Perfect angle.